'Twas the night before Christmas, when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. An exclamation came from down the hall.
"We have nothing for dessert."
Yeah, exactly that call. To it, somebody said in a reassuring voice,
"Don't worry, Taylor Cooks will sort it. What could possibly go wrong?"
So one of the biggest complaints about turkey over Christmas is turkey breast drying out, and if you have a full bird, by the time your legs are cooked, then the breast has a very good chance of being quite dry. There is a way around this. You've seen me do this with chickens before, but all I'm going to do is to find, this is a crown by the way, find the breastbone and then just follow it down. And I'm going to take the whole side, let's see if we can get it that way so the camera can see it. Take the whole breast off, like this, and I'll show you a fantastic way to cook this, which keeps it very, very moist. And this is a little tip from Kush on sorted food. I watched him do this a while back. Anyway, so there we have one of the breasts. Just trim off anything that's not needed. I'll just put that to one side there. This is, oops, that's what we're left with, and this we can cook, make a broth for the dogs. So same again on the other side. Just find out where the other side of the breastbone starts. I'll follow the meat down again. I'll turn it around, do it from this side. All the way. And that's what's left, not what's left of it. That's going to go for the dogs. And there we have two breasts, turkey breasts. The next step is to vat pack it with some butter. That's right, vat pack it with some butter. So this is our next step. Here we have some butter. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut slices off, like this. To one side. And get some salt. Okay, get one of our bags. Let's get our butter in. Our piece of turkey breast, which we've just taken off. Put the rest of the butter in. And then we need to vacuum seal this. Now this, that's step 2. So we've got the butter in, we've got it seasoned, it's in a bag, vacuumed, and I'll show you the third step in a second. So there we have 2 lots of turkey breast, and that's ready for the next step. So your next step is the sous vide. Put them both in, and we need it at 149 degrees for 4 hours. Okay, so 149 for 4 hours. Take it off, it's then perfectly cooked. And all you need to do then is to get a frying pan, a little bit of oil, skin side down, and just put a little bit of colour on the skin. And that's it, job's done, and it's going to be so tender